because of the poisons that are being injected into people, even though they're called therapies, because of the disinformation that is given to patients, the number of people dying from that dwarfs the numbers of Americans who sadly are dying from lack of care.
Drugs that have been said to be too unsafe to approve by the FDA's own medical reviewers have been approved over their objections and entered into the market, causing the very harms they predicted.
The FDA, in my opinion, has probably killed more Americans in this country than all the wars that the U.S. has ever fought combined.
The drugs themselves cause death, disability, further symptoms, which typically are further treated with other drugs.
As an ethical issue, they never think, gee, this is going to kill people, I shouldn't do it.
The problem is that the pharmaceutical companies have one objective. That is not the health and safety of the individuals in this country, but the almighty dollar.
Over $1 billion in the last decade has been spent lobbying the Congress of the United States by the pharmaceutical industry.
And so Congress has become really a threat to the health and the safety of the American people.
They're going to become chronically ill. They're going to become chronically depressed. That's the expected end. And that's why they will need to be on these drugs for life. We're not killing them quickly, but we're taking their lives away.
Even when life is threatened, even when there are avoidable risks of cancer, what kind of Alice in Wonderland situation are we in?
It's a corporate zeitgeist. It's much more profitable to fix things than to prevent things. It's much more profitable to chalk up hospital stays than to help people stay out of the hospital.
We have a system of medicine that's broken, that by itself is killing at least 700,000 people a year. Some people are dying since they don't have health insurance, but what about the number of people who are dying because of the current system?
Greetings, citizens of the world. Most would agree that our health is the most important thing in life. In today's society, the biggest cause of death is medical negligence and the poisons they call medicine. We have ignored their crimes for too long. We all have family and friends that have died because of it. How long do we keep feeding our children poison? How long should we allow their crimes to go unpunished? Many of you have already woken up to this profit-driven system. It is time to take action. It is time to expose the corruption and demand justice for the victims. Our life is more important than their profits. We are more than a commodity for a business. Pharma is focused on exposing and spreading information on the corruption of the medical system, pharma corporations and their political whores. Join us and help shine a light on what many try to censor and others choose to ignore. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. They should have expected us.